Fermi Paradox. The Fermi Paradox, named after Italian-American physicist Enrico Fermi, is the apparent contradiction between the lack of evidence for extraterrestrial civilizations and various high estimates for their probability. Hello everyone, my name is Lisa and here we are with a new video of Cosmic Seekers. Are you always curious and want to know more about the universe? You came just to the right place. Make sure to subscribe, like, share, and comment for sure. Follow us on Instagram, the link is in the description. Mention what you'd like us to make for our next video on Instagram. Michael H. Hart formalized the basic points of the argument in a 1975 paper. They include the following. There are billions of stars in the Milky Way, similar to the Sun. With high probability, some of the stars have Earth-like planets, and if the Earth is typical, some may have already developed intelligent life. Some of these civilizations may have developed interstellar travel, a step the Earth is investigating now. Even at the slow pace of currently envisioned interstellar travel, the Milky Way galaxy could be completely traversed in a few million years. And since many of the stars similar to the Sun are billions of years older, this would seem to provide plenty of time. According to this line of reasoning, the Earth should have already been visited by an extraterrestrial civilization, or at least their probes. Although he was not the first to consider this question, Fermi's name is associated with the paradox because of a casual conversation in the summer of 1950 with fellow physicists Edward Teller, Herbert York, and Emil Konopinski. While walking to lunch, the men discussed recent UFO reports and the possibility of faster-than-light travel. The conversation moved on to other topics, until during lunch Fermi allegedly said suddenly, "But where is everybody?" There have been many attempts to explain the Fermi paradox, primarily suggesting that intelligent extraterrestrial beings are extremely rare, that the lifetime of such civilizations is short, or that they exist, but for various reasons we see no evidence. There are two parts of the Fermi paradox that rely on empirical evidence: that there are many potential habitable planets and that we see no evidence of life. The first point, that many suitable planets exist, was an assumption in Fermi's time but is now supported by the discovery that exoplanets are common. Current models predict billions of habitable worlds in our galaxy. The second part of the paradox, that we see no evidence of extraterrestrial life, is also an active field of scientific research. This includes both efforts to find any indication of life and effort specifically directing to finding intelligent life. These searches have been made since 1960 and several are ongoing. Fermi died of cancer in 1954. However, in letters to the three surviving men decades later in 1984, Dr. Eric Jones of Los Alamos was able to partially put the original conversation back together. He informed each of the men that he wished to include a reasonably accurate version or composite in the written proceedings he was putting together for a previously held conference entitled Interstellar Migration and the Human Experience. From the discovery of the first exoplanet in the 90s, we have discovered thousands and thousands of them, and many in the Goldilocks zone, the zone where it is thus perfect for life to sustain. We might soon be able to get confirmed news that we have discovered a planet with life on it. Is there anything we missed? Let us know in the comments and like, share, and subscribe.